Looking to learn more about affiliate marketing and how much you can potentially make? Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The amount you can make through affiliate marketing varies depending on the product or service you are promoting, the commission rate, and the amount of traffic you can drive to your affiliate links. Some affiliate marketers make a few $100s a month, while others make 6 or 7 figures a year. Success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, consistency, and a solid understanding of your target audience and the products or services you are promoting. If you're interested in earning money through affiliate marketing, start by researching different affiliate programs and finding products or services that align with your niche or interests. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is to provide value to your audience and build trust with them, so they are more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate links.